Welcome to everybody. Today we will discuss or calculate the amount of depreciation per annum, rate of depreciation under straight line method and WD method. We can take an example, and taking into account the example, we will calculate how to calculate the rate of depreciation, amount of depreciation under different method. That example is your cost price of the asset 35,000 and expenses is your 5,000. Scrap value, scrap is given is your 3,000 and lifespan in years is your 10 years. Now here the question is cost price, that means 35,000, expenses incurred like transportation, erection, installation. So these are the expenses. Overall total expenses is your 5,000. Lifespan is your 10 years. That means after 10 years the value of the asset comes to rupees 3,000. After 10 years it will be fetched in the market as 3,000 scrap value. Total value, you can say from in the previous classes already we have discussed that to calculate the cost of the asset you have to add the expenses incurred before production or before use. That is the value of the asset is your 50,000. 10 years ପରେ asset ଯେତେବେଳେ କାମ ନ କରୁଛି ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ମାର୍କେଟରେ ବିକିଲେ ଆମକୁ 3,000 ମିଳୁଛି, ମିନ୍ସ ଏଟା ରିଟର୍ନ. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ 10 ଇୟର୍ସ ଭିତରେ ସେ ଆସେଟ୍ର 47,000 ଡିକ୍ରିଜ୍ କରୁଛି. এই হিସାବରେ ଯଦି ଆମେ କନସିଡର କରିବା ତାହେଲେ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଲାଇନ୍ ମେଥଡରେ ଆମେ ଏଟାକୁ କେମିତି କନସିଡର କରିବା, ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ତାର depreciation per annum କେତେ ଆସିବ ଏବଂ rate of depreciation କେତେ ଆସିବ. ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି percentage ଦେଇନି, percentage ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ এই 50,000 ଉପରେ କାଉଣ୍ଟ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ. 7.5%, 10%, 15%, 20% depending upon the cases. Here the question is given like this: cost price given, scrap value given, lifespan in years is given. You are asked to find out the depreciation, the value or the amount of depreciation per annum, side by side the rate of depreciation, means in percent form. That is depreciation per annum is your, that is O minus S by N. O minus S by N under straight line method. Straight line method, the depreciation per annum will O means original cost of the asset, S stands for scrap value, N stands for lifespan in years. As far as the question is concerned, here 50,000 is your O, scrap 3,000 is your S, lifespan is your N. Accordingly, you have to put the value, that is original cost is your 50,000, scrap value is your 3,000, lifespan in years, it is 10 years, that is 50,000 minus 3,000 divided by 10. It is your 47,000 by 10 is your 4,700 is your depreciation per annum. पहले वर्षों को हमको 50,000 प्रति वर्ष 4,700 हिसाब से माइनस हो अंडर स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड. आज द परसेंटेज इज गिवन, इज नॉट गिवन, ओनली दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन. You have to calculate the how much amount of depreciation to be charged under straight line method, that is O minus S divided by N. Original cost S, scrap value N, lifespan in years. केते वर्ष कंटिन्यू. This is how 4700 is your depreciation. If you are asked the rate of depreciation is your, that is formula is your annual depreciation whole divided by original cost into 100. Rate of depreciation normally it आपको percent रे बाहरिबो. Formula is your annual depreciation. Already we have calculated that is 4700 annual depreciation divided by original cost. Original cost is your 50,000 into 100. It is multiplied 100 because of to find out to percent of depreciation. Annual depreciation is your 4700 whole divided by original cost is your 50,000 into 100 is your 9.4%. This is your rate of depreciation or percent of depreciation per annum, that is 9.4% per annum. This is how under straight line method the depreciation per annum is calculated under this method, and the rate of depreciation is calculated under this method with the annual depreciation by original cost into 100. This is how you have to calculate the calculate the amount of depreciation and the rate of depreciation under straight line method wherever this type of information is given. Another one is it is calculated under whenever straight line method is adopted or is continued, is accepted. Whenever we follows WD method, means written down value method, or otherwise known as diminishing balance method, reducing balance method. In this case, you have to calculate like this. Question is given here. Cost price is given is your 50,000 and scrap value is given 3,200. Lifespan is your 3 years. Question is given cost price 50,000, scrap value 3,200, lifespan is only 3 years. Means after 3 years of using the asset, it will fetch in the market 3,200 as return. 50,000 टंकार आसेट को आम 3 वर्ष व्यवहार कला पड़े तार जो रेसिडुअल रोचे रेसिड्यू रोचे से रेसिड्यू मार्केट रे हमको 3,200 टंका रिटर्न मिले. रेस्ट अमाउंट हमको रिटर्न मिलिबो ना, सेटा 3 वर्ष भीतर एडजस्ट हो जाए एज डेप्रिसिएशन. तो कैलकुलेशन आसुची हमको रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेशन करिया पई, दैट इज r इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस s by o whole root n. R is equal to, R stands for rate of depreciation, 1 minus s divided by o whole to the whole root n. This is the formula under WDV method, rate of depreciation. N is your lifespan, means this is your N, it is your O, it is your S. N lifespan in years, S scrap value, O that is your cost price. Accordingly, you have to put the value 1 minus root 3. N is your 3 years. Root 3 of S, 3,200 whole divided by original cost is your 50,000. Now it is written in other way. You can write that is 1 minus 3,200 by 50,000 whole to the power 1 by 3. Root 3 टा हमरो के हिसाब एक्सपोनेंट रे कन्वर्ट हो जाए. Now it is 1 minus you can write it is 8 by 125 whole to the power 1 by 3 like this रे कटी गले 3,200 50,000 को हमें काटी देले reduce फॉर्म में पाइबा 8 by 125 in it implies that 1 minus 2 to the power cube whole to the power divided by 2 to the power cube divided by 5 to the power cube whole to the power 1 by 3. 8 2 into 2 into 2 125 5 into 5 into 5. It is written like this. In other words, in other ways you can write 8 is your 2 to the power 3, 125 is your 5 to the power 3, and whole to the power 1 by 3. That means it is 1 minus 2 by 5. LCM it is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 means in percent form. To find out the percent form of a depreciation, you have to multiply 100. That means 3 by 5 into 100 is your 60%. To find out the percent form of a rate of depreciation, I multiplied 100. That means 3 by 5 into 100 to convert into percent form. 3 by 5 into 100 is your 60%. This is how the rate of depreciation is calculated under WD method and SLA method में rate of depreciation देखिए कितनी calculation. This is how यदि तुम percent of depreciation दे ताले question is given like this, you have to calculate and find out the percent of depreciation under WD method. Next one is your accounting treatment. That means journal entries. Accounting treatment of depreciation. तो केमिति आमे depreciation को accounting फॉर्म रे आमे केमिति आमे ट्रीटमेंट करबा से ट्रीटमेंट करबा परे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू नो the transactions to be recorded in the journalized form. So the journal entries is like this. Journal entries. Well, one by one, I mean journal entry देखने होगा. Number 1, when an asset is purchased. आम देखो से asset को किनिबा कौन एंट्री आसीबो जर्नल. Normally it is asset account debited to cash or bank or is your vendor. हमें asset किने asset आसे asset को हमें डेबिट करबा. यदि हम कैश पेमेंट करछे asset account debited to cash If you make payment through check, asset account debited to bank. If you purchase the asset on credit, asset account debited to vendor. That means you have to mention here the name of the supplier. In case of credit purchase, যদি আমি কোনো করুছে বাকি রে কিনুছে asset account debited to vendor. যদি আমি পেমেন্ট করুছে ক্যাশ মোড রে asset account debited to cash, और যদি চেক মোড রে দেউছে asset account debited to bank. First entry whenever asset is purchased. Then number 2 journal is your meeting of expenses. Second one is your meeting of expenses. Asset financial la pore nischit the expenses achi already we have discussed, like transportation charges, loading, unloading, installation charges or erection charges. These are the expenses are to be made. That is why whenever we spend any amount on expenses in in transportation or loading, unloading, erection, installation charges, you have to mention here. That means as it is non-recurring expenses, it is asset account debited to cash or bank. As it is non-recurring expenses, से asset को आम प्रोक्योर करने जहाँ खर्च कले asset account को डेबिट करवा, केबे भी expenses हेड को डेबिट करबो नाही, कारण आम asset को वर्तमान सुधा यूज करेना up to the point of production. Whatever amount will be spent on in this regard or procuring a particular asset will be debited to the respective asset account. Furniture he pare, building he pare, vehicle he pare, any asset जहाँ भी किनको respective asset account debited to cash or bank. If the payment is made by cash, asset account debited to cash. यदि हम check through repayment करें, asset account debited to bank. Yes, sir. Purchase expenses. Third one is your, like this, you have to remember this one. Asset account debited to cash or bank or vendor. Meeting of expenses, asset account debited to cash or bank. Expenses means your transportation charges, installation and erection charges. Number 3, journal. For providing depreciation. तो depreciation केतले आसी गोटे वर्ष परे आसी तो depreciation हम तले चार्ज करबा जर्नल एंट्री जो depreciation account debited to respective asset. Depreciation account debited to asset. Asset may be any type of fixed assets. Like let example is your machinery. Depreciation account debited to machinery. In case of furniture, depreciation account debited to furniture. This journal will be recorded every year at the end of the year. प्रति वर्ष तुमको ये journal एंट्री पास करिया पड़ेगा year ending रे. प्रति वर्ष इटा रिपीटिंग हो प्रति वर्ष up to end of the life span of the asset. Number 4 is given as transferring depreciation to profit and loss account. हम जानी से फाइनल अकाउंट हम प्रिपेयर करता है आगे ईयर एंडिंग डेप्रिसिएशन हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट ट्रांसफर करा जाता है मींस इट इज ट्रांसफर टू डेबिट साइड ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. सो first of all you have to calculate the amount of depreciation at the end of the year, and whatever amount of depreciation that we will get, that will be transferred to profit and loss account to find out the exact value of net profit or net loss. That is why after finding the amount of depreciation, then you have to transfer depreciation amount of depreciation to profit and loss account. The journality is like this: profit and loss account debited to depreciation. Remember प्रति वर्ष डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज करिवो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट को ट्रांसफर डेबिटेड करिवो एई दुटा एंट्री एई दुटा तम प्रति वर्ष रिपीट हो प्रति वर्ष एवरी ईयर एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेशन करिवो कैलकुलेशन कला पर डेप्रिसिएशन को तम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिटिंग करिवो ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस मैटर in the final account with adjustment or without adjustment the different forms are particularly with adjustment जो providing depreciation asset final account asset side ru concern asset ru depreciate ru minus करथौ asset ru minus कर सला पर ताको ट्रांसफर करथौ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस डेबिट अकाउंट साइड एटा तो रिपीटिंग आसीबा प्रति वर्ष एटा कंटिन्यू करबो प्रति वर्ष एटा कंटिन्यू करबा ए दिटा पॉइंट नंबर 3 पॉइंट नंबर 4 पॉइंट नंबर 3 जना पॉइंट नंबर 4 जना नेक्स्ट जो पॉइंट नंबर 5 is for sale of asset at loss for sale of asset at loss asibo at the end of the year or during a particular year during the lifespan of the year it may be वर्ष तार लाइफ स्पान भितर हे पारे कि लाइफ स्पान पूरा शेष रे हे पारे आमे एसेट को मध्ये बिक्री कर दे पाइबा बिक्री कला परे आइदर आमे लॉस पाइबा तले प्रॉफिट पाइबा तो केमिति जानिबा लॉस प्रॉफिट दैट मींस हियर यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द बीपी बुक वैल्यू अनदर इज योर मार्केट वैल्यू रिमेंबर दिस वन बुक वैल्यू to find out the book value you have to provide depreciation up to the point of depreciation up to the point of sale it means cost price minus number of years depreciation charge करिवो होला पर जो वैल्यू पाइबो up to the point of sale it is your BV at the point of sale that means book value up to the point of sale जो डेट रे एसेट बिक्री होची से डेट पर्यंत तमे डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज करी बीवी बाहर करबा दैट मींस बीवी अप टू द पॉइंट ऑफ सेल अप टू पॉइंट ऑफ सेल्स मीन जो डेट रे तमरो कॉस्ट प्राइस प्रति वर्ष डेप्रिसिएशन माइनस करी जाओ जो डेट रे सेला से डेट पर्यंत डेप्रिसिएशन दला परे जो वैल्यू पाइबो सेटा होची बीवी अप टू द पॉइंट ऑफ सेल जो डेट रे एसेट ता बिक्री होची से डेट पर्यंत तुमको बीवी कैलकुलेशन करिया पे पड़िबो से डेट रे बीवी बाहरला परे तापरे तुमे कंपेयर करिवो का सहित ना इज योर मार्केट वैल्यू मार्केट वैल्यू सहित कंपेयर करबो दैट मींस हमें गोटे साइड रे पहले मार्केट वैल्यू आ गोटे साइड रे पहले बीवी बुक वैल्यू मार्केट वैल्यू बीवी एमबी तो जत्ते बळे बुक वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन मार्केट वैल्यू सेते बळे मींस कोन आसीबो बराबर बुक वैल्यू इज लेस देन मार्केट वैल्यू एटा होची तम रेकॉर्डेड हम रेकॉर्ड्स देखौची हम एतिकी टंका हम शो करूची मार्केट जदी ताठू कम शो कर दैट मींस बीबी अधिक ले मार्केट वैल्यू कमिला मार्केट वैल्यू कमिले इट इज लॉस whenever BV is less than market value it is profit BV अधिक हले मार्केट वैल्यू थारु हमर लॉस हमर रेकॉर्ड देखौती बा लेट एग्जांपल 1000 टंका हमें तो मार्केट रे बिक्री कर देले 800 टंका नो डाउट आवर 200 टंका लॉस होला सेही बळे तन बीबी व्हेनेवर बीबी इज ग्रेटर देन मार्केट वैल्यू इट इज लॉस व्हेनेवर बीबी इज लेस देन मार्केट वैल्यू इट इज प्रॉफिट दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट now the generality at a loss that is bank account debited, bank account debited, depreciation account debited, loss on sale account debited to asset. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड एटा एक्चुअली होची एसपी, एसपी एटा होची तमरो डेप्रिसिएशन, डेप्रिसिएशन अप टू द पॉइंट ऑफ सेल इन द ईयर। सही वर्ष आम जो डेट रे सेल कले से डेट पर्यंत तुमको मिडिल पीरियड रे आम सेल कले तो से डेट पर्यंत तुमको डेप्रिसिएशन कम जति दिन पाई से ईयर आम यूज करछे सेति की पूर्व वर्ष तो आम रेकॉर्ड कर चलबा जो वर्ष सेल होला सेही वर्ष आम से एसेट को जति दिन व्यवहार करछे सेही पीरियड रे आम डेप्रिसिएशन कम कर सकबा। एठी आसला तमरो लॉस अमाउंट, लॉस अमाउंट ए जो रेकॉर्ड ता बेले तमरो डेप्रिसिएशन ए जो सॉरी asset value रहबा टू asset एटा एग्जैक्टली तम रहबो पीवी जति कि तम रेकॉर्ड करछि। बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड, डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट डेबिटेड, लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू asset। ए लॉस ऑन सेल को तम डायरेक्ट मतलब पीएल लिखि पाइबो, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट एटा मतलब डायरेक्ट सीधा तुम पी एंड एल मतलब लिखि पाइबो, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस लिखि पाइबो और लॉस ऑन सेल लिखि किछि असुविधा नै। सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट वन इज इटा आसला तमरो लॉस केस रे, नेक्स्ट आसला तमरो प्रॉफिट केस रे। पॉइंट नंबर 6 सेल ऑफ एसेट एट ए प्रॉफिट, सेल ऑफ एसेट एट ए प्रॉफिट। फर्स्ट वन इज योर बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड, डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू asset। बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड, डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू asset, it is your selling price, it is your depreciation amount up to the point of sale in the year। सही वर्ष रे आमी केते परिमाण डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज करछे टू asset, it is your BV। this is how you have to calculate। and second journal as it is sold at a profit, so the difference amount market price BV means selling price, selling price means is your market value, market value book value data compare kare निश्चित profit आसबो। whatever profit that we will get that will be considered as asset account debited to it is your profit on sale। दुटी जन पास करे पड़िबो। फर्स्ट वन इज योर सेल ऑफ एसेट, देन द डिफरेंस अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट जेति कैन पाइल से डिफरेंस अमाउंट बीपी आउ एसपी मार्केट वैल्यू ए डेटा कंपेयर करो, डिफरेंस अमाउंट जहां पाइबो से अमाउंट को तुम एटी शो करियो। एटा होस हमर प्रॉफिट, प्रॉफिट हेले मार्केट वैल्यू माइनस बुक वैल्यू। ए जो अमाउंट को हमें पाइबा ए अमाउंट तमर एटी चार्ज है। whenever market value is greater than book value, whatever amount is your profit, a profit to amount से amount को charge करेगा। this is how you calculate the depreciation like this। number 6 number 5 for sale of asset at a profit and for sale of asset at a loss। এই দুইটা থরে মাত্র হবো, কারণ जो डेट रे आम एसेट को डिस्पोज ऑफ करबा बा सेल करबा कंसीडरिंग और कंपेयरिंग द मार्केट वैल्यू एंड योर बुक वैल्यू द डिफरेंस अमाउंट आइदर प्रॉफिट और लॉस अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू पास आइदर journal number 5 or in case of profit journal number 6. Accordingly you have to pass this one. This is all about your accounting treatment of depreciation. हम यही वे कैलकुलेशन करने पे पड़ेगा, कैलकुलेशन करके तुमको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने पे पड़ेगा. This is all about your entries, journal entries regarding depreciation. Okay.